Hi, my name is Gemini Dhar. I'm a Take Charge expert and author. I work with women and children extensively across the globe to give them an attitude of I can. And yes, I'm a very happy Plan B person. So you must be wondering, what is Plan B? I'm going to ask you today, do you have a Plan B in life? Like for example, I have been a fashion designer for many years, and almost for 25 years I worked only in one profession, being a fashion designer. I used to teach in institutes as a fashion lecturer. I used to go and share merchandise management tips with them, and I used to help them have a new perception to fashion industry. So this was something that I did along with my fashion career, and for 25 years I was only doing fashion. It gave me a lot of money, it gave me a lot of growth, it gave me huge challenges, and there came a time that I was going through some personal issues and I had some partnership difficulties because I was not very diligent about the finances that I was handling. I made a lot of money, but I never put my head into investing them or knowing what the laws were and knowing how it worked and what are the taxes I had to pay, because I had a whole team of experts working for me. So I just let it go and I never put my head into it. And as a result, there was a time that I had to see a huge crash down, and I gave up crores and crores of hard work earning. I started from 50,000 and I grew my company to 130 crores, of course with a huge team, my partner, my husband, and there came a time that I had difficulty and I lost everything. So while I lost everything, I was in a state of shock. I didn't know what to do, but fortunately just 1.5 years before I get into challenges, I started exploring a new career, a career into coaching. And that is the time I met my mentor Afin Khan, and he showed me many other plans that I could have. He made me understand that I had the potential that I never explored earlier, and this helped me build a plan B for myself. So now my plan A is coaching. I coach women, children, entrepreneurs. I do corporate workshops, I do keynotes, and I do a whole lot of other things. So there are more than 10 to 15 things that I do related to coaching. But over and above that, I have 2 independent businesses, and these are my plan B. So let's say today I'm a coach and I'm a mentor and I'm traveling across the globe meeting people and enjoying life and doing just what I love. I'm writing my second book, and the book is going to be called Take Charge 5X Formula. I have some amazing formulas mentioned in the book for success, something from my life, something from what I learned. So there are n number of things that I have used in my plan A. But my plan B still remains. I have a business which I independently do on my own, which does not require much of my time, and that is also creative, some passive income for me. I also make products and books which are related to coaching industry, which helps people access from the tip of their fingertips. So it can be online programs, videos, or learning programs, something in a PDF form, something in an online form, something in a written form, something like a diary. My life is, it's a journal where you can support it with a video program, and soon it's going to become a proper full-fledged something which is really going to change people's perceptions. So yes, what's your plan B? Have you gone through any challenges in life? Like if you have been working for Jet Airways, this video is for you. If you have been working in a job for many years and not done anything other than working, you really need to watch this. Whether it is your hobby, whether it is something like network marketing, whether it's something like buying a distributorship of something, whether it is recommending people to do something or training individuals. Whatever you are looking for, you should have a plan B, and your plan B is going to be your support structure. So if you're making a lot of money, you better have plans. If you're making a lot of money and you do not know where to invest, the best investment is yourself. Invest in yourself and see how you can multiply. So when you invest your money in stock market, share market, in various entities, it will grow X number of percentage. It will grow 18%, 20%, 30%, 50%. But when you invest in yourself, it's going to grow 500%. You can 5x the amount of money you make. So if you're making 1 lakh rupee and you want to go to 5 lakhs, invest in yourself. If you're making 5,000 rupees and you go to 25,000, whether you are a teenager or we are a 60-year-old or a 70-year-old or even a 100-year-old, you want to 5x your growth, you need to invest in yourself. So I'm going to talk about your relationship with yourself in my next video. This video is all about thinking about the plan B. So if you guys have some amazing plan Bs, post in the comment box what is the plan B that you have in your life, and if you have confusion you can connect with me. We can sit down and work out an amazing plan B for you with a guaranteed outcome, not assured, guaranteed. Very few people give you guarantees, and I'm one of the person who believes in guarantees because I have got it from my mentor and I have used it to the fullest. I guarantee my growth, I guarantee my success, and I guarantee my formulas. So if you want to connect, Take Charge 5x formula is something that will help you build your plan B, and I will be really happy to help you out. So stay connected. You can email us at 9ways2empower@gmail.com. You can log in to my membership site, that is takechargeultimate.com, or you can find me on geminidhar.com to find out what has been my past, my present, and what is going to be my future. So see you guys. Thank you so much for watching.